Guys, welcome back to another video. So guys, you know Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 is the first foldable device which is coming with an S Pen support and under display camera sensor. Although the S Pen was coming separately rather than inside the body of the device like the Note devices, because it's a special S Pen, you have to buy it separately, and that's why it's also add up to the cost of the device. Now, there are many hopes for the Z Fold 4 that it will have the S Pen built in the body of the device. Unfortunately, that is not going to be happening because according to latest leak, still we don't have the S Pen stylus support inside the body of the Z Fold 4. Rather, it will have same stylus support as the last year Z Fold 3. But what's different this year, instead of buying S Pen separately, now it will have bundled with the Z Fold 4, which means that it will be available in the box of the Z Fold 4. Which is a great news because it will lower the cost of the Z Fold 4 if you need to use the S Pen. Also, you need to buy the cover separately in order to carry that S Pen alongside with you. Although I really wanted the S Pen to be placed inside the Z Fold 4 body as the Note devices because it will be a convenient way to use the phone. Anyhow, moving forward, according to the reliable leakster, this year the Z Fold 4 will also have a big jump in camera department. Like in the past 3 generations of the foldable devices, we have seen that 12 megapixel camera sensor has been used in the foldable devices coming from Samsung. And most people were annoyed when they have launched the Z Fold 3 with the same camera sensor. Now this is going to be changing in the Z Fold 4 because now according to leak we are going to see the S22 Ultra camera specs in the Z Fold 4. Yes, you hear right, we finally have a big upgrade in the camera department and 108 megapixel of a camera sensor to be coming in the Z Fold 4, which is a big news for the foldable fans. It will not only improve the camera quality but also enhance the night shots and video quality as well, which is a nice big upgrade if it is true. To be honest, we all were hoping for this upgrade because previous foldable cameras were outdated. Anyhow, the Z Fold 4 will also be thinner and lighter thanks to a new single hinge design, which is not only making it thinner and lighter but also it will reduce the cost of the device. Overall, you know that the Z Fold 3 was one of the device which is coming with a higher price tag, so in order to reduce that, Samsung will be implementing this. Also, according to the leak, it is believed that this new foldable device will also be cheaper. Okay guys, the other major upgrade we wanted from the Z Fold 4 is obviously going to be the outer display. Unfortunately, we don't hear any leaks and rumors about the outer display size. As you know that some other brands like Oppo has given us a wider outer display, which is a nice thing. And we do hope that Samsung will listen to the fans and bring the outer display to be wider. Anyhow, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about this new stylus that is not coming in the body of the device? Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel for daily tech video. Peace.